Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about another alternative to nvidia Geforce now. The other alternative to nvidia Geforce is going to be your Xbox Cloud Gaming. Now Xbox Cloud Gaming has all the Xbox exclusives as well as your normal traditional games. As you can see, it's got Fortnite as well. I know for some people Fortnite is a huge deal, especially for iOS users, as it's not really possible to play Fortnite on your iOS devices. On top of that, you've got tons of games. For example, Forza Horizon 5. It's a beautiful simulation racing game. I love it. I play it almost all the time on my PC, and you won't be able to get that on your Geforce now, as this is exclusively on your Xbox. And then you've got Banjo-Koozie. There's a lot of Xbox exclusive games. Now I really want to be able to show them, but I honestly don't know how to. So yeah, but Xbox has a lot of your, the old school Xbox 360 games. Look at that. Dead Space is right over here. You can play all of those old Xbox 360 games as well. So if you're someone that wants to, indulge back into that nostalgia, back to that younger age when you didn't care about, when there wasn't much to care about in the world and you just wanted to play games, well, you have all those same games on those Xbox 360 titles. You have it on your PC now. For cloud gaming, you got Fable 2, Fable 3. All these games, I remember I used to love them as a child, and I still love them. And yeah, so if you're looking for an alternative from your Geforce Now, this is the best alternative. And the best thing about this is there are the pros and cons. The con would be, as you know, nvidia supports RTX, and they give you a very high-end rig if you pay. Over here, Xbox, this is free, but everyone's gonna get the same items, so sometimes it might be a bit laggy, sometimes it might not be laggy. It's very dependent on your internet speed. So yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.